Hey guys, Lindsay's Hands here. So today we're going to do my lip collection video. I figured I would just point the camera straight at the table so I could show you guys everything. I am gonna do some swatches on my arms. This is also going to be a declutter as we go, just because I put a poll on my community tab and I had a lot of votes for a lip collection and declutter. It's not going to be super hardcore on the declutter. I kind of already have an idea of what needs to be thrown out just because of things I've had for ages. So I will show you guys everything, let you know what I'm throwing out at least, or kind of like show you at the end what I bundled up to throw out. So this right here is mostly my indie brand lip products. I probably have some hiding somewhere else, but I figured we'd go ahead and start with these guys. And then we'll also do the Hot Topic lip products in this video. I will do a part 2 next week that will show all of my ColourPop and like mainstream lip products, because otherwise this one would be super long. Let me move these out of the way and we'll get right into it. That way I can kind of like show you on the white background. All right, so as you will come to see, pretty much my indie brand collection is the biggest of all of my lip collections. My Hot Topic collection might rival this, but yeah, I definitely have a lot of indie brand lip products. So let's go through them one by one. We're gonna start with this outside row right here. First up is Black Moon Cosmetics. We have Harvest, Libra, Willow. And if you are curious, Black Moon is now sold at Ulta. They only have limited items, but I highly recommend them. Then we move into Beauty Bakery. I have Rosy Posy, which I am gonna pass along to a friend. I do not like the way this metallic looks on me. Cranberry Stiletto, one of my favorite reds. Ginger Snap, again, a favorite, especially when I have red hair. And Versailles, which is just a gorgeous everyday color. I have 2 Sugar Pill lip products. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be trashing both of them because they're super old. I have Trinket, and then this one is Strange Love right there. Both of these I've had for a very long time, and when I swatched them, they were kind of that chunky consistency, so these are going in the trash. Right here we have Petal Pusher from Hank & Henry. I want to get some more of these. I got that in a BoxyCharm. Then we move into my Jeffree Star Liquid Lips. First up we have I'm Shook. I love this color. I doubt he'll ever make more of it, but maybe one day he'll like repackage it or something. We have Allegedly. We have Candy Ass, which again, I'm gonna pass along to a friend. This is one of those ones where I thought it would look good on me when I saw it online, and it just, I don't know, I've worn it a couple of times in videos. I just never really like the way it looks. Pumpkin Pie, which is literally one of my favorites from Jeffree Star ever. Celebrity Skin, Leo, Sagittarius. This one is Designer Blood right here. Good old Doll Parts, a beautiful little pink. And then Hunty, which I'm also going to be passing along to a friend. Again, this is one where I do not like the way it looks on me. All right, we are now moving into my Storybook Cosmetics lippies. So right here we have the shade Romance, and then Horror. This one right here is Joe. This is from their monthly subscription box. So far we've only received 1 month, and it was a Little Woman themed. We're supposed to be getting Sherlock. It looks like March now. So it's apparently gonna be in every other month is what they're aiming for, but I really liked Joe a lot. I thought Romance was beautiful, but it's got a lot of kind of gray tones to it. So sometimes it can wash me out, but Joe is a great everyday color for me. All right, zipping up here to the middle row. This one is Adventure. I don't ever wear this on the lips, but I keep it because it's a fun like accent, or like for Halloween. I used this in a festival look, so I keep that. And I am missing one, which is the shade Fantasy, and it's just basically a kind of shimmery pink color. It's the same metallic consistency as this one, but it's a light pink, and I have no idea where it is. It might be in my purse or at work, but I do have that one. Then these next 4 are from their Wizardry and Witchcraft set. You can only buy them as a set. So we have Sorcerer right here, Salem, which is such a gorgeous, unique color, Merlin, and Potions. All right, next up is all of my Notoriously Morbid lip products. I have a lot of them because I was doing their monthly subscription box for a while there. I have canceled it just because there's only so many lip products I need, but they have a lot of really awesome, unique colors. So, and their formula is really lightweight, so that's a nice positive thing. I'll warn you that I'm probably gonna butcher most of these names because they're dragon themed, and I have no idea how to pronounce most of these. So I might like pop it up here, like typed out, so that you guys can see what it says or like what I'm trying to read. So this first one right here is Katla, and then Fukuryu, and then Ladley or Laidley. This one is Zme or Zmi, Rian. Oh, I have no idea. Finer, Bistern. This is a very interesting color though. And if Gimme Glow Cosmetics comes out there with their Juicy Olive palette, I'm thinking that could go really nicely with some colors in there. Let's see, Bola, and Idragok. I have no idea. But like I said, they're very beautiful colors, a very lightweight formula. It doesn't last all day in the inner like part of the lips if you're eating, but really nice light formula if you like that in a liquid lip. Next up, we have the 4 Suva Beauty lip products that I just got in my mystery box. So we have Awakening, Thunder, Dreamer, and the Unconscious. Literally one of my favorite purples. I love this. This one right here is Nevea. It's from Alien Cosmetics. I don't know if they intend to sell liquid lips anymore right here, but it's a really beautiful color. Okay, so these next 3 are from The Collective Cosmetics. They are eye and lip lacquers. That is Poison's Kiss right there. This one is just a really pretty iridescent kind of sheer color. I believe this one was Peach. And this last one is 5 points. All right. Next up is Pumpkin Cider from Beauty Bar Baby. This is a really pretty color. Again, it's similar to Notoriously Morbid, where it's a thinner formula and it doesn't last as well on the inner portion of the lips when you're eating and drinking, but it's still got a really nice formula. These solo looks saved by the Belle collection. This one's Kelly, Lisa, and Jessie. I hope they do more lip products in the future. So now we're moving into my Makeup Monsters liquid lipsticks. So I have a bunch of them. They looked like this. Makeup Monsters is no more. They're now Menagerie Cosmetics. And from what I understand, they haven't changed the formula, which is good because I loved their formula. And I guarantee you I'm gonna be throwing out almost all of these because they are incredibly old. But I wanted to show them to you guys anyways. And I did actually purchase my first Menagerie Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is the shade right here. I swatched it right there. I'm probably going to put the word up here at the top somewhere because I can't pronounce it. I think it's Iptysia. I don't know, but it's a gorgeous color. I need to buy more because once I went through and swatched these and realized how old and not good some of these were, it kind of pointed out what I'm missing and needing to replenish. So I'm gonna be making another order from Menagerie soon. Okay, so this one right here is Silhouette. I am getting rid of it, it's too chunky. Another one right here, Pedal to the Metal, too chunky, going bye-bye. This one I was really sad that it was too old. This is called Slayin' It. I loved this color. This isn't even doing it justice because it's just so old and dried out, but this was a gorgeous red. It was like a limited edition Christmas color, but they do have some really pretty reds on their website, so I need to go order some. I think I'm gonna keep this one for now. It didn't look too bad. This one is Sassy. This one is Holy Grail. It is a little dried out, but I never liked the way it looked on my lips anyway, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. This is Sedona. It was one of their more popular shades. I am gonna keep this one for now, but I think I will eventually repurchase that same color from Menagerie Cosmetics because they kept Sedona, so if you're curious, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna keep this one too. It looked like it was still an okay formula. It's called Rebound. And I'm also going to keep this one, which is Bewitched. This one's probably getting towards the end of its life, but it still looked like it worked. Okay, so next up is my LA Splash liquid lipsticks. I'm only showing you one swatch. This is the shade Jenny. It's actually from their Harry Potter collection that they did a while ago. When I swatched it, the formula still looked like it was okay. Again, it's probably gonna be thrown out not too long in the future because, you know, I have a feeling this isn't gonna last much longer, but for now it looked fine. I'll show you the other ones that I still have. I have apparently cleared out a lot of them over time, but these were the ones that I still had left. I don't have them swatched because they were all disgustingly old. I mean, okay, I'm gonna show you. This is really gross and I'm gonna be really embarrassed by it, but look at that. That's so gross. Go through your products and throw out stuff. Don't be like me. So yeah, all of these are going in the trash. Super gross. But I need to order some more from LA Splash because I like their formula as well. This one right here is Beat It from Lime Crime. It's the only Lime Crime product that I own. They actually did this, they had like proceeds of it or some proceeds going to the Houston flood relief when we had the really bad flood not that long ago. So that's why I purchased this one. I like the formula. I'm strangely drawn to that new Venus palette. I kind of want it, even though it looks so boring in pictures. Everybody says it's much more pretty in person. I might break down and buy it, and I kind of want some of the wet cherry glosses, but for now, this is all I have. And I don't know if Ofra is considered indie, but they were in this pile, so I'm showing it to you. So this is Ofra in Verona. Clearly you can see I've accidentally smudged these against my arm, so I'm sorry if the swatches are starting to look a little janky. All right, almost done with indie brands. So right here is all of my Besame lip products. So this one right here is Sweet Dreams from the Agent Carter collection. This is the Snow White Red from the Snow White collection. And then all these right here are from the Seven Dwarves. So they're these little like miniature bullets. So we have Sleepy, Bashful, Happy, Dopey, Sneezy, Doc, and Grumpy. And then I did have a couple of bombs that I had swatched on the back of my hand, and then apparently I've been rubbing it all over my table and not realizing it. So I'll show you real quick. These are from Geek Chic Cosmetics. This is Pale Blue Dot. And this is my favorite because it's Doctor Who themed. It's Hello Sweetie. and it's just a really pretty shimmery nude. This one is, of course, my absolute favorite lip gloss other than the Fenty one. This is Butterbeer from Shiro Cosmetics. It's just a really light tint, but it smells like butterbeer, and it's so cute. Like the way it's got like the fake foam at the top, like glittery, sparkly foam. But yeah, that's that. And then this is the Bench and the Yew Tree from Notoriously Morbid. It's just more of a tinted balm, but I love that color. So that's it for my indie brand stuff. So now let me go try to wash all this crap off my hand. So in case you're curious, these are all the ones that I am decluttering from the indie brand liquid lipsticks. I'm not gonna show you all the ones I kept just because I've put them in all the kinds of different places, so it'd be really hard to show you, but these are the ones I'm decluttering. Okay, so I would say that my Hot Topic lip collection is probably tied with my indie brand lip collection. I had more than I thought I did. All right, so we're gonna go through the different collections. Some of these don't have names, so I will just show them to you. So we're starting off with the Star Wars lip collection. We have this beautiful deeper color, the gloss, and then the nude shade. From the Soraya Jade collection, we have a Sweet Soraya, Jordan, and Hex. I love this collection, definitely one of my favorites. Another favorite collection is the Beauty and the Beast one. We have Bonjour, Enchanted, and Spellbound. These are from the Alice in Wonderland collection. They do not have names. We have this bright pink, the lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's not too metallic, and this really gorgeous kind of purpley color. This is from their Tiki collection. Again, no names. This one had some really pretty nudes. That one, this pink I don't like. I'm gonna pass this along to a friend. And then this nude. Harley Quinn and the Skull Bags. We had some glosses. So a red gloss, a really bright red gloss. And then this color, which is my absolute favorite because it's so unique. I don't even know if you can tell. It's kind of like a blackish, silverish, grayish gloss. Definitely something I don't have a lot of in my collection. The Nightmare Before Christmas Sally's collection. This is Wormswort, Frog's Breath, my favorite color, and Deadly Nightshade. This one was definitely one of my favorite collections. So moving into Riverdale, we have Blossom Pride right there, Manhattan Princess, Pussycat, and then Perfectly Pink, which is a gloss, and I absolutely hated this color, so I'm going to be getting rid of this. You can kind of see I've barely ever touched this one. Moving back up here, so this is last year's, or I guess 2017's Nightmare Before Christmas collection, and you can see like the names pretty much have rubbed off of it, so I don't even know what this one was called. I'm gonna assume this was probably Jack Skellington, just because it's black. This one I can still kind of read it. It's Oogie Boogie Mauve, and it was a gloss. And this one is Shocking Plum. I did not like this gloss, but it's pretty if you line something underneath it. Moving into the Clueless collection, this is Totally Buggin', Don't Call Me Woman, and You're a Virgin Who Can't Drive. So yeah, this one, all three are glosses. I really didn't like any of them. You can see this next set of glosses we're about to go into, how much more pigmented they are. That is why I had such a complaint about the Clueless collection, because I know they're capable of making good glosses. So this is from the Little Mermaid set. And these are all glosses. This is Shalala. So I mean, look at that pink compared to that pink. The Clueless one is just pathetic. This one is Unfortunate Souls. Love that color. And this one is Angelfish. Again, like the Nightmare Before Christmas, it's pretty much rubbing off, so that's kind of disappointing. Now we're into the Wonder Woman collection. These do not have names. So we have a lighter red, like a bright red matte liquid lip, a deeper vampy red liquid lip, this gloss, which is kind of like a reddish brown gloss, and then this one, which I'm telling you just reminds me of Melted Caramel. Hopefully I'm in frame for all of this for you guys. I'm sorry if I'm not. Okay, so this is from the Black Craft Beauty and Hot Topic collab. This is the shade Sinful. It's very pretty and at least unique to my collection. This is Death Stare, so it's a gloss. Unholy, a black. You can see I have a couple of black matte liquid lipsticks now. This one seems to be the better of all the formulas so far from the Hot Topic ones. And then lastly is Cult Classic. These right here are all the little frosty unicorn glosses. I plan on getting rid of all of them. I'm probably just gonna keep one. So you have basically pink, white, peach, purple, and blue. I mean, I have no need for these. I can't imagine when I would wear them. I think I am just going to keep the peach color. And I think I'll keep the white in case like I might need it for like a Halloween look or something. Okay, moving back up to the front of the arm. This is all these little guys right here that you see. It was the Black Heart Beauty astrology collection, so it's all zodiac based. So we have Cancer, Aries, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Leo, and Pisces. I'm keeping all those just because I like to be able to have something that matches astrological stuff, like if I'm doing a zodiac-based eye look. And the last thing we are moving into is the Infinity glosses. I love all of these. I'm keeping all of these. So we have the Reality Stone, Space Stone, Power Stone, Mind Stone, Time Stone, and the Soul Stone. This one is my favorite of the glosses as far as like an everyday wear type of thing, this orange. It's actually really pretty. I keep dipping into other glosses around me. I like that one a lot. I love all of these, and things like this green gloss and the blue gloss are really pretty if I want to top like one of the matte blue or green liquid lips that I have. So definitely keeping all of those. So that is my Hot Topic collection. So out of my Hot Topic collection, these are the only ones that I'm getting rid of. I'm keeping everything else. Oh yeah, and this guy too. He was in a different bag. Okay, so there were a couple of little products that I forgot, some stragglers, so I'll show those to you real quick. From the Hot Topic ones, we had the Polly Pocket lip collection. I really did like this. It's basically lipsticks in this little container. You can like use your finger or the brush. I prefer my finger, but yeah, these are the colors right here. These were pretty good. And then I also forgot a Besame lipstick because it's in my purse, but it's one of their sheer lipsticks and it's the shade Chocolate Kiss. I really like that for an everyday neutral color. And then of course, I totally forgot the Besame Infinity Stone lip glosses. So these were the kind of like lava lamp style lip glosses. So yeah, these are the lip glosses. This is the set that I actually use because when I first got my set, mine didn't work correctly. The product wouldn't come out. And so Besame did send me a replacement set. So the ones that you guys see on my shelf behind me are the ones that didn't work. And these are the ones that I keep in my little carousel that's up on top of my Alex drawers for products that I try to reach for more often. These, I still don't feel like there's a significant amount of tint. Mostly I see the tint with the purple and the pinkish red color, but they all have really nice scents. I think this one is my favorite scent. I believe this one was like an apple. But yeah, they're really nice, and I think they're very hydrating lip glosses. So they're still a very fun product. I love the way they did it where it's like a lava lamp style. Like that's just so cool. But yeah, so that's everything I missed. Let me kind of bring everything back here and we'll recap. Okay guys, so this is everything for my Hot Topic and indie brand lip collection. I will be filming a part 2 that will have kind of my mainstream and ColourPop products together because, you know, that's gonna probably be just as long. I have a lot of those too. This is kind of my favorite part of the collection, all the fun Hot Topic stuff and all the indie brand stuff. So that's kind of why I wanted to show this first. And this way I could kind of like show you guys with all the swatches. Like it kind of was a pain in the ass to swatch all of them on my arm, mostly because these are mostly liquid lipsticks and they're really hard to get off, but I think it makes it worth it to show you guys what the colors look like because you can't always tell just like from a bottle, especially if it's a frosted bottle. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for Tuesday's video. That is going to be the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. I want to do 2 looks with the shadow palettes that I purchased, so stay tuned for that. I also am going to do the giveaway announcement in that video. So this is kind of like your fair warning to make sure you tune into that video. That's going to be where the giveaway is going to be placed. So hopefully you watched this video or that video, otherwise you won't know. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.